lesson is logic. So we'll start with the topic mathematical logic. Now, first of all, you all should understand what is logic. So logic deals with the method of reasoning. So the way we give reason for a particular statement, okay, for a particular statement, the way we give a reason, it resembles the logic behind that statement. For example, if we have a theorem, okay, now that theorem must be having some logic behind it. So while writing the, when we write a particular statement or consider a statement of a theorem, okay, now when we write the statement of that theorem, there is something reason behind it, or there is some logical proof behind it to prove that particular statement, right? So that is called as logic. That deals with logic. Logic is nothing but method of reasoning. The way we reason a given statement is the logic which is behind that given statement or behind that given theorem. Okay, now in logic we'll be learning about the statement. Now what is a statement? So a statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Now let me explain you all what this means. This means that a statement is a declarative sentence. It will be a declarative sentence with the sentence can be either true. That means the sentence which is given to you can be true or false, but not both simultaneously. Means it cannot be true and false both at the same time. Simultaneously means both at the same time. It will be true or false, but not both simultaneously. Okay. So now, further, a statement is either true or false. The statement will have either true value or a false value. The true value is denoted by T, and the false value of the statement is denoted by F, which means we'll denote the true value of the statement as, in short, we'll denote it as capital T, and the false value of the statement, in short, we'll denote it as capital F. Okay. Now over here, there are some examples which are provided to you. The first one is 5 plus 4 is equal to 30. Now my question to you all is this a statement? If you see 5 plus 4 is 13. Now, when I say 5 plus 4 is 13, I can get only one answer. It can be either true or false, but not both, right? This statement will either be true or it will be false, but it won't have true and false both the values at the same time. So, will it be a statement? It will be a statement. Why? Because it is having only one answer. जब भी मैं ये statement, when I read this statement, okay, what answer will come in my mind? Only one value will come in my mind. It will be a true value or a false value. Now 5 plus 4 is 9, which is not equal to 30. So what will I say? This statement is not true, which is false. So what comes in your mind first? That it is a false statement, right? So can I say, first of all, can I say, is it a statement? Can I say, is it a statement? Yes or no? Please reply on the chat box. The given sentence is a statement. It is a kind of declarative sentence. As you all can see, it declares that 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. It is kind of declarative sentence which has only one value. Okay. So first I'll write, yes, this is a statement. So I'll write yes over here. Now what is the value of this statement? What is the truth value of this statement? Is it a true statement or a false statement? Yes, you all are replying it correctly. It is a false statement because 5 plus 4 does not give us 13. So it is a false statement. So the truth value of this statement is false. Okay. Truth value means the value which we get from the statement. The truth value can be true or false. Okay. Now true we denote it by capital T. False we denote it by capital F. So since the truth value of this statement is false, we have denoted by capital F. Did you all understand this first example? If yes, please reply on the chat box. Very good. Now let's move on to the question beside it. Now over here, I have given the sentence given to us is close the door. Now my question to you all is it a statement? No. Very good. Close the door is not a declarative sentence, right? It is a sentence, command or a request. You can say this statement resembles a command or a request, right? So it is not a declarative statement. So your answer is correct. This is not a statement. So what will I write it? No. So first of all, I want to clarify over here the statement sentence which are in the form of exclamation, or if the sentence has a command in it, or it is order given to someone, or it is interrogative statement. Interrogative statements means asking the question. So such type of sentences, we don't call it as mathematical statement. Okay, so just clear this in your mind. The statements are only in mathematics, the statements are only declarative statement. So any sentence which has an order, a request, a command, a exclamation, or an interrogation inside the sentence, that sentence we won't consider it as mathematical statement. Is this clear to everyone? So now, since this is not a statement, it won't have any truth value. So once it is not a statement, we won't write any truth value of it. Okay. Now let's move further. Here we have, just a minute. Yeah. Here we have, further we have an example over here. The sun sets in the west. Now my question to you all is it a statement? Is this sentence a statement? Very good. You all are correct. This is a declarative sentence, so we can say that it is a statement. Very good. Now what is the truth value of this statement? What is the truth value of the statement? Is it a true statement or is it a false statement? The sun sets in the west. Is it a true statement or a false statement? The sun rises in the east, right? And it sets in the west. So very good. You all are correct. Over here they have given us the declaration that the sun sets in the west. Great. So this sentence is true, and its truth value, what will be its truth value? Its truth value will be capital T. So did you all understand what is the statement? Everyone? Any doubts? Okay, very good. If you all have understood, then let's move further. Further we have, okay, first of all, have you noted down this example? If no, please note down these examples, because these are your textual examples. I want you all to just write the answers of it. So please note down these examples and the definition as well. Once you will finish noting down the examples, please message done on the chat box.